So if you're not able to see Claude 5 or Fable 5 in your Claude code, it's very likely that you're running on the previous version of Claude, and regardless of how much you might be trying, you might not be able to update it. So that is probably because you're one of the early users of Claude Code and you added this initially, and things changed over time, and the support for Claude Code or the new models of Claude Code might not be visible in your UI. So how do you fix this? There are a couple of things you need to know, and I'm gonna show this to you via the chat because I was able to fix it. First, run which Claude, and this will basically tell you where your Claude Code version is running. Now, when you install the latest version of Claude, it will basically add Claude inside of this folder. But if you see anything outside of this, then this means you are basically running a different version of Claude. So what I would encourage you to do is just go ahead and open this repository and run the first command from here. It will create a new, will essentially give you a link like this where your Claude is installed, and this is the Claude that should be running when you run which Claude. So in my case, I did which Claude and I was able to get this path, which is different than the Claude version, or rather the version that we installed right now. So this is what we got, and this basically means that our Claude is running from a different location. So we need to remove it using bun remove command, and once we remove it, we need to run this again. So in my case, I found another version of Claude which was in Node. So I had to uninstall this one as well, and then I did which Claude again, and I found a different version of it again in using brew. So I had to remove that as well, and using the brew install command which showed an error, so I ended up running this command in order to remove Claude. So essentially the reason why you're not able to see the latest models is because you have multiple versions of Claude installed in your system, and you need to remove all of them and use the last one that is available for your use case. So this is a quick video on how you can do this. Just make sure that you're working with any LLM like Claude or ChatGPT. It will help you get to this point. You can paste in this documentation for extra help. But it's essentially the matter of your Claude Code being in different location than usual. So just work with the LLM and tell it to something on the lines of, I'm trying to install the latest version of Claude Code. It shows the latest version installed, but when I click on open, it opens the old version again. So it will help you debug this and get you to a point where it's working for you. So go ahead and try it out and let me know if it works for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.